Six common reasons why people don't meditate. Meditation. Maybe you've tried it before. Maybe you heard about its benefits. Or maybe you've spoken to people who told you about the transformative changes it made in their lives, but for some reason, you still haven't started. In this video, I'm trying to go through some of the common reasons why people haven't started or didn't continue after they tried. I'll give you my view on each of those reasons, and hopefully that will shed some light on the questions and concerns you may have. Reason 1. I can't meditate because I can't stop thinking. Many people think in order to meditate, we have to know how to stop our thoughts. While meditating is about silencing your mind, it isn't about creating a blank mind. Meditation is about allowing our thoughts and emotions to come and go without judging them, learning to observe them without analyzing them or reacting to them, letting go of the need to control them, and then learning to take those lessons into our everyday lives, being aware of what our mind does and catch it when it plays tricks on us. This takes a little practice, so don't feel discouraged too soon. Reason 2. I think I'm doing it wrong. Look, there is no right or wrong. Everyone has a slightly different experience doing their meditation, and the experience also varies for each person depending on the day and life circumstances they're in. Some people feel calm, some feel impatient. Some even feel a bit drowsy. Many feel blissful or even a little high. Some get cold and need a blanket, and some get hot. Many feel content and relaxed. The experience is different every time, and you aren't supposed to feel a certain way. Reason 3. I just don't have enough time. Thinking about this logically, yes, on average it takes around 20 minutes away from your day. For someone who has a full schedule already, this seems like a lot of wasted time. The thing is though, because you will learn to control your mind, you will be more focused and less distracted. Because of the deep state of rest and the improved sleep you'll experience, you will have more energy throughout the day. Just imagine if this could actually add time to your day after all. Maybe worth a try? Or maybe, for all you busy bees out there, a compromise would be to start with 5 minutes every day and increase it gradually after you start feeling the effects. Reason 4. I can't sit up straight when crossing my legs. For some it's uncomfortable, for some it actually hurts their back. Good news though, you don't have to sit in the typical cross-legged position in order to meditate. You can sit in a comfortable chair and lean back slightly. Reason 5. I'm confused about the different types of meditations. Which one is the best? So you may have heard about a few different techniques such as guided meditation, transcendental meditation, or moving meditation. Some use a mantra, and some use the breath. I can see where the confusion might come from. When it comes down to it, any type of meditation is a good meditation. There is no better or worse. It's more a matter of which one works best for you. Just pick one and see how you go. You can always try another type later, or mix it up along the way. Reason 6. It's only for spiritual people. I hear this a lot, and it's true that meditation is often practiced by a variety of spiritual groups. That doesn't mean, though, you have to be spiritual in order to meditate, nor does it mean it has to be connected with any religious beliefs. It is a mental exercise that has many scientifically proven health benefits. To sum it up, I quickly wanted to point out those benefits. Multiple studies have shown that meditation can reduce stress, lower anxiety and depression, increase resilience, improve the immune system, lower inflammation, improve sleep, increase pain tolerance, improve focus and attention span, improve memory function, and increase creativity. I hope this made you at least a bit curious. You could get started by listening to a guided meditation on YouTube or download an app, for example, One Giant Mind, Calm, or Headspace. Just pick whichever technique feels right and get started and don't overthink it.